Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do auto scroll for your Instagram reels on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your settings, and whenever you open it, you just need to scrolling down until you found this accessibility. And after you found it, just need to go click it. And now you just need to scrolling down until you found this voice control. And you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to set up the voice control and just go continue and done. And whenever you activate it, you just need to customize the comments, and now you can create the new comments. So for example, you just need to adjust or preparing the phrase of the words that you want to say, for example next. And after that you just need to go click actions, and now you just need to go click run custom gesture, and just need to start gesture. You just need to swipe from the below part until the upper part right here, and then just need to wait until the play here is success, and after that you just need to go click save. And now you just need to go back and choose the applications that you want to apply this gesture to, for example in Instagram. And after that you just need to go back and let's give it a try into the Instagram application. Open your Instagram, go into the reel section and say next, next, next. So that's the way how to do auto scroll in an Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.